Hi, I'm Justin.
Hi, I'm Billy.
And this is Carter's Country. Today we are very excited to explain to you and show you a new little toy we have here at the range. I'm very excited about it. I believe he's very excited as well. We have a new Wobble Trap system here. So before I get into what Wobble Trap is, I think we're going to have Billy explain a little bit about how a game of trap actually works.
Sure. Okay, in a normal trap range you have 5 shooting positions, and typically with a full squad of people you'll have 5 shooters up on the stand at one time. They shoot in rotation, one target at a time. As the trap machine in a normal trap situation is the trap machine is oscillating back and forth left to right. And then so everybody shoots in rotation. They'll shoot 5 shots apiece. The puller on hand will tell them to move one station to your right, and everybody shifts down, and we start the process all over again. And we continue the process until everybody shoots 25 rounds, and then we'll have 5 rounds at each of the stations, which will complete the round of trap. Okay, what we put in out here is a Mattarelli Wobble Trap.
So basically what we got, fortunately, after many, many years of the standard side-to-side 180-degree trap system is a Mattarelli Wobble Trap. What that means is it's going to be the same degree differential, but you're going to have an up and down additional movement. It gives you a lot more shot patterns, kind of like more of a game. So I believe we are one of the few, if not only, ranges in the city of Houston that has a Wobble Trap right now.
I don't know for sure,
but that could be the case. So we're going to play a quick game, and we're going to have Evan, our favorite range officer, here with us, and then a little Larry too. So
there's no such thing as a little Larry, but I appreciate that.
Cool. 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 What did you think about that fun?
well, that was awesome, really. The different heights and so forth, and different angles, and a lot of fun.
Makes a huge difference if you're ever out there trying to shoot quail. I mean, it's more realistic to actual wild game for sure.
Absolutely.
So, if you don't know already, we do shoot trap and skeet year-round, 7 days a week, 9 to dusk every single day. Come out and see us anytime you'd like. If you have any questions, we've got a handful of really good range officers that love what they do, and they do enjoy helping you out if you can. And if you need a new trap gun, come order one from us. We're right here as always. If you ever shot, or hunted with us, you're already part of the Carter's Country family. Until next time, adios.